Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software from your CROSSCALL Core M5. At the start if you see something like that, when you're trying to visit inside, just spamming pop-ups, or something like that, when you're trying to visit inside and in your notification bar, that means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So I'm going to show you the first method. Open settings, then go to the apps, and tap on the CL apps. Now check the list, all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize name, just open it and select install button. Choose OK. After that, go back to the app list and now look for your web browser. Then tap on the storage and cache, choose the manage space, and tap on the clear data. Choose OK. And after that your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. But remember to choose trusted company. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it, and in this application tap on the scan now and choose OK. Now add a permission to the files and go back to the app. Now the scanning process starts automatically, and after that your phone should be free from any unwanted app that you have. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.